Meghalaya. Ka jingsngan ha ke imlang salang ningkong baro ki jingeshan by bam lingba ka social welfare ansa kan teu sha ka shiajar tingka shibenai kata ka long khat arjar tingka shisnem
hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang shanya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sinteu bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
It's the confidence of the people of my constituency which makes me say all this what I'm telling you now. And as I told you earlier, it is the people who wanted me to come to be a candidate for this constituency, and I'm having a very good support. People want change, and you'll be surprised to know that the people of my constituency are so happy that I've joined a party, a secular party, a party which is more or less the main opposition even in Delhi. This party being the All India Trinamool Congress. This is a very secular party, as I told you, and not to mention that I've also been associated with this with the chairperson, Madam Mamta Banerjee, when she was in the Congress. So I've worked under her as a general secretary. Yes, that's very. I have seen in the papers today. Maybe she has given some interview somewhere, and it's very surprising for an ex-MLA to claim that she has promised in the year 2018 and that this project is on now. But let me tell you, I being a resident of this particular locality where the market is coming up, you can see the market through my window. We know everything about this. This was a project which was supposed to be taken up by the municipal along with the urban development way back when her father, late Peter Mabanyang, was active in politics. He was there, and this for reasons best known to them, this project has been shelved for a number of years. Okay. And it's very surprising for her to claim that it is she who had brought this. Let me tell you, this is a project initiated by the Smart City Project Mission, and this is a project of Smart City. No, nothing to do with her. Nothing to do with her. Yes, it will be a drastic change. It will be. I don't know what she will do after losing this election. Okay, her coming out of the Congress. And supporting. Firstly, she has supported. Can you imagine? She has supported. She and her team supported a government wherein there was a BJP. BJP and Congress can never work together. They are opposite poles. You see, maybe one or two BJP doesn't matter, but they are in a coalition government. So how can she go and support that? This is the reason why the people of our prestigious constituency are angry about it. And secondly, this 5 years which has gone through, the NPP-led MDA government has been, you see in every field they have failed, and the people are very angry throughout the state of Meghalaya. The people are angry with this government. Okay, they have failed in each and every front. You call it from the health sector or the education sector, the sports sector. There are policies are not being adhered to, and and she happened to join such a party where the people are already annoyed. They have made a decision to get rid of this party headed by this government headed by the NPP. Yes, this is one of the tricks she tried up her sleeves. Okay, she thought that if she joins the NPP, say the next term also the NPP may come to rule the state, and the chief minister or the NPP will help her in this case, even if there is a CBI case against her, But then there are lots of delicate informations which the government may hide. That's why this is being delayed. This is being delayed because of all that. Congress had done that. Congress had defended her, and then ultimately, what law will take its own course. But yes, that was one of our intention. I agree with that. Yes, the streets have already decided. The people in the streets have already decided to oust this government. So where on earth does he get the idea that they will form the government? See, I'm telling you, throughout the state, the people are confident now that there'll be a change. There'll be a change. That's why you have seen so much of improvement in. We've got a very good position in Garals. In Garals, we'll do very well here too in Kasi and Jantia Hills. You see, so his claiming. You see, that's his way of claiming it. Let him claim. Let him claim. But he'll be surprised what the people of the state wants. The people of the state, they want a change. What the people in the streets are saying now is that we want a change, and a change, not a change just for a change, but a change, viable change for the betterment of the society, a better government, a better machinery which will do good to the people of our state. Yes, this is his way of thinking. This way of thinking. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that? You mean to say that there will be no opposition in the assembly? Can you imagine how will a state run when you don't have an opposition party? This is very childish talk. I think they are going mad now. They are going mad because they are frustrated. The NPP are frustrated that people's choice is not them, but it is the TMC. They have already said, see, we want a change. A change should be a viable change. No, they are not going back to the Congress, but they want a party which will be a stable, which can give a stable governance and a party with a change. So they said, now people are saying that let's give TMC a chance. That is why I'm telling you that I am in a very upbeat mode here in my constituency, because people, maybe she has been luring people with money, okay, but the people now are no more fools. She has been fooling people. There are people who have come to me. They said that we have taken money from her. I said, good, that money is yours. You take the money, but you know what to do. They agreed. They said, yes, we know what to do. We want to bring a change. The change will be from the people itself. Not when you make the government. We will change, they said. You see, that says it all. It's very unfortunate, it's very unfortunate for teachers to come to the streets, during our days of student life. This thing never happened. The main reason why these things are happening is because there is no proper policy. There's no proper policy in this government. You see, even the policy which exists, they don't implement that. I'll tell you, related to my work, my type of work, I have visited a number of interior villages. I've come across some schools where they have barely 6 to 7 students and 4 teachers. Can you imagine? 6 students, 4 teachers. What ratio is this? I don't understand what this government is doing, and just an eyewash. Everywhere there's an eyewash, They are busy. Do you remember they started inaugurating and coming up with what they call this? All these projects. These things are coming just before elections. What were they doing all this 5 years? You see, they want to hoodwink the public. The public are not fools anymore. Don't play with the public anymore. I'm telling NPP, be prepared. Be prepared to be ousted from the government.